guys, Jay&Step ATV here, and today we're going to be doing some drag racing. I think it's going to be a fun video. There's going to be a series that's probably episode 1 coming out tomorrow. It is Backyard Racetrack, and at the end of this video, Jay can explain more about it, and yeah. Let's get into the course. And off the track now. It's just going to be a simple flat drag race. And then we might just do a little riding after. And then Jay can explain more about the backyard racing series. So guys, this is our starting point right here. And that cone, past that, is where we finish. Let's get into it.
Hey guys, okay, so I'm going to be talking about our new series that we're going to be starting. Well, we already started it. We have to wait to record more of it tomorrow because Steven upset a bunch of hornets. What the series is we're going to show you each day that we actually, so we're going to be building a backyard racetrack. So this is what we have so far from us just riding. We have the drag strip, which you're looking at is the main strip here. We have, we have a small little jump that we created because we felt like the camera doesn't make it look big, but it's a decent size. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking down a couple of those trees, take a bunch of crap out of there. We're going to make this into a semi-racetrack, a backyard track, so we can race each other, and just for fun, really. Also, we are going to be doing racing, a separate series called the Racing Series, which will probably most likely come out after our first backyard racetrack series, and so yeah, I think that's it. But really all it is just us creating a backyard racetrack. We also are creating backyard trails in the woods back here. We do have a ton of trails so far. We're just creating more. And that's it.
So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And tell us if you want to see more drag racing. And peace out.